Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the shortcut to Drive in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Slides. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to create a shortcut of. Then tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, tap on Add Shortcut to Drive, and then we can select where we want to add the shortcut to. Say it's my drive, and tap on Add, and then we are going to have a shortcut in Drive that leads to this presentation. And yeah, we can just look at it in Drive, and we will be able to see it there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.